Hey, this is Dennis here at Melloy Chevrolet in Los Lunas. We interrupt this broadcast to tell you you've only got 10 more days to get down here for Truck Month. So check out specials like these and then come down here and see us during Truck Month at Melloy Chevrolet in Los Lunas. Get $5,500 off the Chevrolet Equinox. During Silverado Truck Month, get a $1,000 accessory coupon to use on accessories like this. Or like these running boards. You can get those with your accessory bonus. $1,000 will buy all kinds of things during Truck Month at Melloy Chevrolet. Get $3,000 off the Chevrolet Traverse. How about this Chevy Malibu? $2,750 cash allowance. Come on, New Mexico. Get down here for Truck Month. Want a Chevrolet Trax? How about $3,750 cash back? Come on, people. But you've only got 10 more days to get down here and take advantage of Truck Month. Check us out online at MelloyChevrolet.com. Give us a phone call, 505-866-3000, or just come down and see us. Exit 203 on Interstate I-25. Easy to find, easy to deal with. We are Melloy Chevrolet. Come down and see us today.